Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. Today it's going to be special and different, of course, what you can always expect from Changes for a Lifetime. Something new. It might be a plant-based recipe, it might be a beauty product that we make together, it might be garden, it might be lifestyle, but it'll definitely be something new and unique. Today I'm going to share with you my skincare tools that I use. They are a must-have tool for your body. So I want you to try them. There's going to be 6 of them. So watch to the end. And if you have some different tools, please feel free to share them in the comment section. Okay? Because we all can learn from each other. That's what this is about. So stay tuned with number 1. So number 1 is a steamer. Steamers open up your pores, allows you to get the dirt out of your skin. You use it before you do your facials. I'm going to put all the links to all of these that I use in the description, okay? But it's really good tool that you need. So they say don't put oils in here. There's water that I pour in here. But I have to put some kind of oil on because I like the smell of it. I like how it makes me feel. So I just put myrrh and I just clip it on. I can smell it. And I just cover up my face and experience the warmth. So that's number 1, a steamer for your skin. And you all know what, real talk, I keep this on my desk in the office, and sometimes I just turn it on and just get a whiff of it. That's number 1. Number 2 are sea sponges. So they supposedly have little minerals in here that are good for the skin, but I like it because of its versatility. So when it's dry, you can exfoliate your skin. When it's wet, it is like a soft pillow on your skin. I don't even use a towel. This does it all. Let me show you what it feels like wet, or what it looks like wet. So it lathers up very well, but it's so soft, you all. Just go up. You will love this. Get a sea sponge. Use on your face. If you want to exfoliate it, use it dry. And when it's wet, you just take off all of your makeup. It is the bomb, really. Link below. That's number 2, you all. Number 3 is my exfoliating body towel. I have been using these probably over a decade. I only use them on my skin. Dry, you can just make circular motions going towards the heart. Towards the heart. Exfoliate your entire body, going everything towards the heart. And when it's wet, oh my goodness, it lathers wonderfully. You do your whole body, and there's enough space for your entire hand. You put soap on the front side, soap on the back side, okay? These are a must for your body. Dry or wet. Link below. That's number 3. Ooh. The suction cup is powerful on this. I keep this attached to my mirror in the bathroom. It is a 7X lighted mirror. It's battery operated. But it allows you to see everything in your skin. I hope you can see it, but you need one of these, you all. So you can see everything on your face, every single pore. Oh my goodness. A tool you must get. Number 5 is a tool that we really take for granted, you all, but we have it with us all the time, and that tool is our hands. So when you're using your hands on your skin, use your entire hands, all the way to the fingertips, all inside of here. When you put something, a product on your hand, rub it all the way out to the ends, and just rub it all over your face, all over your body. everywhere. Use your hands. These are gifts, you all. Gifts. Use them. That's number 5. Number 6, coming up. Number 6 is a Chinese facial method. It's called Gua Sha. I'm definitely going to put a link because I'm not an expert at this. I do it on myself, so I'll put the link, a tutorial to show you how to do it exactly. But when I do it, I put some kind of oil on my hands because you cannot use these stones dry on your skin. Remember what we just talked about your hands? So I'll use this when I'm watching television or something. Keep them in the refrigerator. You can order 1 or you can order 2. I use 2 because that allows me to do it evenly. And I keep them in the refrigerator. I just go all over my entire face. Oh my goodness. To do this over here, I try to do 9 times each way. Then I bring it down towards these lymph nodes. Up, all the way to the ends, and down. Just keep doing it over your entire face. But watch the tutorial, you all, so you can know how to do it right. Not real hard though, it's a very soft touch. It's a very soft touch. Helps remove fine lines, helps clean the lymphatic system. Really good. Over time, you'll feel these lumps here on your neck completely be smooth. So this method is called Gua Sha. These are jade stones, a tool you really should try. You can also use it on your skin, not dry though. It's just really good for the lymphatic system. Okay, all over. But I normally use it for my face. Okay, so those are the 6 tools that you can use in your skincare routine. If you learned something new, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and please share with somebody that you love. I appreciate you watching Changes for a Lifetime. Peace and blessings. See you all next time.